So last evening, the news came in of 3 BJP workers, including the party's Yuva Morcha General Secretary, were gunned down in a terror attack in Kulgam in Jammu and Kashmir. They were shifted to a nearby hospital for treatment, where they were declared as brought dead. Lashkar has backed the resistance front, has taken responsibility for the attack. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted and condemned the killing of the 3 BJP workers. Not only him, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha too expressed his anguish. As we get you all the political reactions, we'll be having Gursimran joining us live, where the Prime Minister has said that I condemn the killing of 3 of our young Karyakartas. Going straight away across to Gursimran now. Gursimran, the update, because political reactions also that we are picking up and the responsibility also that has been taken by a terror organization behind these killings of 3 BJP workers.
Yes, the Lashkar-backed terror outfit, the Resistance Front, has taken the responsibility for this terror attack, which was carried yesterday evening in Vaikyapura area of Kulgam. And we have seen that time and again the TRF has been taking the responsibility for such deadly attacks on the party workers, be it from the Bharatiya Janata Party or the National Conference. But in the last 5 or 6 months, we have seen that the Bharatiya Janata Party is on the target of terrorists in Kashmir Valley, because they are trying to increase their base in Kashmir Valley, and they are receiving good response from the people. And that's why the terror outfits operating in Kashmir Valley are baffled over this move.
Also, the reactions that you're picking up from the ground there, Gursimran, because we have seen not once, not twice, but on several occasions, you have BJP leaders or even leaders who are affiliated with the BJP. They are getting targeted in many of such terror attacks taking place.
Yes, we spoke to many of the leaders, including those in Bharatiya Janata Party, Apni Party, even in National Conference. They all have condemned this in a single voice. They said that there is no space of violence in democracy, and Bharatiya Janata Party said that those behind these attacks will be brought to, will be punished, and they will be brought to justice, because we have seen that the BJP is on the target of terror outfits operating in Kashmir Valley. We have seen how 3 BJP leaders, his leader, his father, his brother, were targeted in Bandipur 2 or 3 months back. Even the Bharatiya Janata Party sarpanches were gunned down by the terrorists. This only shows the frustration of the terrorists, because in Kashmir Valley, more than 185 terrorists have been killed so far this year, and we have seen that the terrorists shunning the path of violence and returning to mainstream, which is a major setback to Pakistan and its proxies which are operating in Kashmir Valley. And regular attempts being made by Pakistan to push in terrorists are being foiled by the security forces. So this is just a frustration, because we have seen that in latest recoveries, we have seen the terrorists were caught with the weapons, including those pistols which are meant for
doubt when it comes to Pakistan's hand in such terror attacks, even coming at a time when a big admission that has been made on the floor of the House in Pakistan Assembly there when it comes to its hand behind the Pulwama terror attack.